Hey everyone, today we're going to install our new dash cam slash backup camera. It records front and back really good, and in an event it will automatically record the incident. I read really good reviews on Amazon and eBay. I got it from Amazon. It was only $100. It looks really cool. So I'm going to install it right now and see how it goes. So I open up this box. Came in with this very high quality packaging. I'm going to go ahead and get it out. And so this is actual screen that is going to hang on the current rear view mirror inside, and these are all the accessories that I need. Of course, it hooks up to the cigarette lighter. You can also, if you want to modify and connect it to your fuse box, you can do that. Also, this is your actual backup camera, so I have to find a place and see where I can mount this. And these are just the rubber kind of, I don't know what to call it, to hold the screen in place on the rear view mirror. So let's go ahead and jump in and start our installing process. Hey guys, we got step one completed. We got this screen installed. It was super easy. It was just two rubber brackets that went around and on both sides, and now it's hanging pretty nice and tight. So we're gonna move on to our wiring process now. So guys, I didn't get a chance to record the installation video. Pretty much I didn't have anyone to hold my camera, but I'm gonna walk you through the process. It was very simple. There were two cables. You have one power cable right there, and then you have the other cable. This is for backup camera, and pretty much I had to run it through the headliner and through this pillar. I had to go through this plastic at the bottom, went all the way down right here. This is my back seat. Now in Lancer Evolution, these back seats are not foldable because we have a backup battery and a windshield wiper fluid is there. So pretty much I had to slide my wire in through this little gap right here, and I was able to make it into the trunk. And then I had to pull the cable to the battery area, to the trunk, and then I had to find the spot to install my backup camera. So let me take you guys to the trunk and show you what I did back there. So here is where I mounted my camera. The reason why I chose this location, because on Lancer Evolution the license plate is all the way down, which I think is ridiculously low for the camera to be mounted. So I had to mount it somewhere up there, and I just couldn't figure it out. Where should I mount the camera? I didn't want to drill a hole in my trunk. If you can see, pretty much there's actually no space to mount the camera and run the wire. So what I did, I had to run my wire through this light right there, and I'll show you from inside. I had to unbolt it, run my wire through it, and it's pretty much mount my camera right there. I did not drill the hole. I just used double-sided tape and just mounted right there. This is the perfect position, and I'll show you on the screen. I can see the car really well. And then I had to connect one of the wires to my reverse light on the positive terminal to get my backup view. So it took a little time to do all that, but it wasn't bad. It was really straightforward. Here's my trunk. So pretty much what I had to do, I had to remove these clips. If you can see that, these are just plastic clips. So pretty much what you do is you use the flat screwdriver. There are plenty of those everywhere, so here. I don't know if you can see it all in the camera, but they're all over the trunk. Here's one right there, and there's one on this side. So there were many of these. So I had to return this panel. Behind the panel, this is where I had to unbolt the light and then run my wire through. And here is my wire coming through this battery panel, which is located in the trunk in this car, and that's the reason why you can't fold the seats, because one side you have the windshield wiper fluid, and on the other side you have this battery area. So pretty much pop it open and show you what I There's my battery panel and the wire. There you go, popped it out. So wire is coming all the way from back there. I had to put my hands in and pull the wire. It wasn't difficult or anything. I just had to reach down there and grab the wire. It wasn't long enough though, so you can see this wire is hanging. That's the only concern. If this was a little bit longer, I had a little more slack, I would have run it to the carpet right there. I would have run it all the way down, and then maybe you know, get it through one of the rubber piece back there, and then run it behind this panel and connect it. So it would have been a little better connection. It would have not been hanging like this. The way it is right now kind of looks a little weird, but I had no choice because I tried running it through there, but it wasn't long enough and I was unable to connect. So you know, but it doesn't, I mean, unless you open up the trunk, you can't really see it. But at least it's not super tight, or it's not pulling anything. You got a lot of slack, so that's, you know, it's pretty good. I'm not really complaining on that. So moving on, let me turn it on and see how it looks. So it says no micro SD card, as I don't have the SD card yet, which is to record videos, but you know, right now the reason why you're seeing the blank screen, because it is facing the garage door. Let me turn it on. Pretty much what you're seeing is the garage door behind it. That's a blank screen. You go the menu here. So settings. There are a lot of settings, and turn off the car actually. So you have a resolution. I have it on 2K. You have a loop recording. I have my audio on. Drive mode, that's a G sensor. I'm going to set it on the high sensitivity. Parking mode, it's a G sensor also. I'm going to set it on the high sensitivity. Let's see, tap sound, we have it on. Speakers on high, you can have it high or low. On and off sound, I have it on. And let's see, date and time. So you can set the date and time according to what you want. This is the language. I have it set on the English. And let's see, date and time. You can, you know, right now we're in a 2020. And then you can set your date and all that. So pretty much very easy to use. A touch screen. Um, I'm really happy with it. Um, the price wasn't too much. It was like $100 and a change with text included. So do give it a try. I really recommend it. Super easy installation. Just 2 wires. You just have to run it behind this headliner, and then through the pillar, and then under the plastic piece or the carpet, and then make it all the way down to the trunk. So let me know, how do you like it? I'm loving it. And not only it has the camera in the back, it has a camera in the front, so you can put it in either one of them. Like you can switch, if you want to switch the front camera, you can do that. You can switch it back to the back camera, I can do that. And then with any incident, it will record automatically the clip, and you can go to the clip and it will be saved on your SD card. You can take out your SD card and maybe save it on your phone or on your computer. So very easy to use and happy with it. So let me know what y'all think. Until next video, I'll see you guys later. Take care. Have a good day.